Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Pulse 5 speaker with any Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, before the pairing, remember to charge your speaker for like 20 minutes. And also remember to disconnect this speaker from any previously connected devices. So next you have to click once on this power button, and right now it will light up, and also this speaker will turn the LED. Next, click once on this Bluetooth button. It will start blinking. There we go. Right now we are in the pairing mode, so we can just go to the Start, open the settings. Go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. Click on the switcher and then tap to add device. Select Bluetooth. And now just wait until our speaker pops on the list. It will take a few moments. So just be patient and wait. If you have a lot of devices around you, like in my case, there's also a chance that you have to scroll down a little bit. As you can see, the JBL speaker appears, so click on it once with the left mouse button. When you are connected, you will also hear the sound, and that's behavior of the LED light, so it will stop blinking actually. And right now, when you are successfully connected, you can also check for the sound settings and be sure that right here our speaker is selected. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.